Welcome to the Longevity Lab. If you're looking to optimize your brain and body health, you're in the right place. Today, we talk about neuroplasticity, your brain's incredible ability to change and adapt. Whether you're 25 or 75, your brain is constantly rewiring itself. And the best part? You can train it to work for you and not against you. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you will have science-backed strategies to harness neuroplasticity for better memory, focus, and cognitive health. So what exactly is neuroplasticity? In simplest of terms, neuroplasticity is your brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections. This happens in response to learning, experience, and even injury. Think of your brain like a muscle. Just like lifting weights in the gym strengthens your body, engaging in new and challenging activities strengthens your brain. The more you practice a skill or repeat a thought pattern, the stronger those neural pathways become. On the flip side, if you stop using certain pathways, your brain prunes them away, sort of like a gardener trimming unnecessary branches. That's why bad habits can become deeply ingrained, but also why you can break through them with the right approach. In this video, you can see how a neuron forms new connections with the other neuron. This is neuroplasticity in action. What you're seeing is a live demonstration of neuroplasticity. You have probably heard the old saying, "You can't teach an old dog new tricks." It is one of those phrases that has been thrown around for decades, often to excuse not trying something new later in life. But here's the truth. Neuroscience says otherwise. Thanks to decades of brain research, we now know that neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to change, adapt, and form new connections, is not limited to childhood. Yes, our brains are especially flexible when we're young, but that adaptability doesn't just disappear as we age. In fact, studies have shown that even in your 60s, 70s, or beyond, your brain can still grow new neural pathways. It can learn new skills, form new habits, recover from injury, and even compensate for areas that have been damaged. The key? You guessed it right, you have to give it the right kind of stimulation. This is huge, especially as we think about aging. It means that memory loss, brain fog, and cognitive decline aren't inevitable. They're just challenges we can actively work against. Whether you're picking up a new language, learning to play the guitar, changing your diet, or simply walking more, these seemingly simple actions can actually reshape your brain in more powerful ways than you can imagine. So if you have ever thought it's too late to start something new or improve your mental clarity, think again. You've got a brain that's built to adapt. You just need to train it the right way. And that's exactly what we'll dive into next. So how do you actually boost neuroplasticity and future-proof your brain? Here are 6 powerful science-backed strategies that can literally help you rewire your mind at any age. Number 1, exercise. Physical activity isn't just good for your body. It's like a fertilizer for your brain. When you move, your body produces something called BDNF, that is brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a protein that supports the growth and survival of neurons. Just 30 minutes of moderate activity like brisk walking, cycling, or dancing can increase your BDNF levels and enhance memory, learning, and mood. Number 2, lifelong learning. Every time you challenge your brain to do something new, like learning a language, picking up a musical instrument, or mastering a new skill, you're encouraging it to form new neural pathways. The more complex the challenge, the more your brain benefits. So keep stretching yourself. Number 3, mindfulness and meditation. Studies using brain imaging have shown that regular meditation can actually reshape your brain. It strengthens areas responsible for attention, memory, and emotional regulation, while calming down regions linked to stress and anxiety. Even just 10 minutes a day can make a difference. Number 4, a brain-boosting diet. Your brain loves omega-3s, antioxidants, and polyphenols, nutrients found in foods like salmon, walnuts, blueberries, green teas, and even dark chocolate. These help protect neurons, reduce inflammation, and support neuroplasticity. Number 5, social connections. Talking to people, sharing stories, laughing, collaborating, these aren't just fun, they're brain workouts. Social interaction activates multiple brain regions and has been shown to lower the risk of dementia and cognitive decline over time. And number 6, quality sleep. Deep sleep is when the brain does its housekeeping. It consolidates memories, clears out wastes, and resets for the next day. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of good quality sleep every night to keep your brain functioning at its best. These aren't just tips, they're proven brain training tools that help you build resilience, sharpen focus, and unlock your brain's full potential. And the best part, you can start using them today. Now the question is, what if you want to unwire a bad habit? The good news is, the same principles of neuroplasticity apply. Just like you can build new neural connections, you can also weaken the old ones. Step 1. Identify your triggers. Every habit, good or bad, has a cue, something that kicks it off. Maybe it's stress, boredom, or a specific time of day. Let's say you tend to scroll endlessly on your phone before bed. What's triggering that behavior? Is it fatigue, mental overload, or just a lack of option? Step 2. Replace that habit, not just remove it. Your brain needs an alternative pathway to follow, so instead of just fighting the urge, redirect it. If scrolling is your go-to wind down, try replacing it with something like reading a physical book, doing light stretches, or journaling. Over time, your brain will start to favor the new, healthier routine. And step 3, repetition, repetition, repetition. The more often you repeat a new habit, the stronger that neural pathway becomes. At first, the old habit may feel automatic. That's because it's well worn in your brain. But with consistent practice, the new behavior can become just as automatic. Breaking a bad habit isn't just about willpower. It's about using science of neuroplasticity to retrain your brain. And that means you're not stuck, you're adaptable. You just need the right strategy, patience, and repetition. The science of neuroplasticity is still evolving, and new research is uncovering even more ways to enhance the brain function. Emerging therapies like transcranial magnetic stimulation, brain-computer interfaces, and neurofeedback are showing promise in treating conditions like depression, PTSD, and neurodegenerative diseases. The bottom line, we're just scratching the surface of what the brain is capable of, and the future of neuroplasticity could be life-changing. So what can you take away from this? The brain is not fixed, it's adaptable, trainable, and full of potential. By applying these neuroplasticity strategies, you can improve your focus, memory, and overall brain health at any age. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new episode. Also, let me know in comments what's one bad habit you'd like to rewire in your brain. This is Longevity Lab, helping you future-proof your mind and your body. See you in the next video.